What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Power Core in LASD Survival Shooter. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly start using a Power Core here in LASD. Well, there are a few things here that we need to know. So in LASD, a Power Core is one of the most important upgrade resources. Now, it's like a high-level enhancement system that boosts your weapon, gear, and character attributes depending on where it's used. Now think of it as a special item that amplifies your strength way beyond the regular upgrades here. Now, if you're not seeing the option yet, that's because the Power Core usually unlocks after a certain chapter or character level here. So typically after you complete early chapters, unlock the Gear Upgrades tab in the enhancement menu. Once it's actually unlocked, you'll find it under your equipment upgrade menu or dedicated Core tab in the gear system. Now, how do you exactly start using it? Well, in this case, you want to first go to your inventory here. So you want to go to your character, then select the weapon or gear piece you want to enhance. Now, once you're in the gear view, you'll see the empty slots marked for power cores, usually glowing or lock if it's not available yet. In this case, you just need to tap it to insert a core. Now, from here, you will see the power cores you've collected. You'll often it's going to be often color coded or tiered. So green, blue, pure, purple, gold, and higher tier cores give you stronger effects like increased attack damage, crit chance here, and HP regeneration and elemental boost. So yeah, pick one that matches your combat style here. But yeah, so confirm, insert the core here. So once you select it, just hit enabled or embed or enhance. The wording may vary here. So the core gets slotted into your gear and instantly raise your power level. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.